Guys, let me introduce you to the next generation for the Fox Body Mustang. A large company that goes by the name of Velocity Restorations built this car on a Roadster shop chassis, stripped down to bare metal, bare body, and completely rebuilt, custom interior, all of their own custom touches everywhere on this interior. The interior is phenomenal. Even the door panels. I mean, absolutely amazing work. Bare brakes. 3-piece custom CCW wheels. Gen 4 COYOTE. Whipple supercharger. 10-speed automatic. Yeah, they even cut the strut towers out. And this is something you can buy. They'll build it for you. You pick the colors inside and out. This is pretty freaking wild. And the results of this car, I gotta say, they did a hell of a job. No stupid graphics, no stripes, no garbage. Just a clean black coupe done extremely tastefully and extreme attention to detail. This thing is crazy. Now, I'm kind of new to Velocity Restorations, but they border on a car manufacturer. They take old Broncos, F-100s, Mustangs, K5 Blazers, on, and totally re-engineer and remake these vehicles. And you can go on their website, build it however you want it, and they will build the damn thing. It's pretty freaking impressive. I've seen some of their builds on videos elsewhere on YouTube, and I gotta say, they do a really nice and tasteful job of putting these together. Everything is new on these vehicles. Everything. And yeah, they're pretty damn pricey as well. But they're not a performance shop. They manufacture these things, and they're impressive. As I said, the car is sitting on a Roadster shop chassis, which is pretty wild. I'm still new to this concept of putting a full frame under a unibody car, but apparently it works, and from what I've read, the results are kind of amazing. So I don't have any personal experience with it, but it seems like a pretty cool concept, and apparently it's worth putting the R&D cash into doing it. I would love to have this car up on the lift and see how it all comes together and works. Is it a mess under there? I don't know. It's a weird concept, but obviously it works and looks pretty cool. And being able to buy a spec built Fox body from a company like this, I gotta say, is a milestone for the Fox community. Now, let's be real clear here. This is not for everybody. Judging from the prices of their F-100s and Broncos, this thing's probably going to be in the neighborhood of 300 grand. They haven't released prices yet, but it's going to be around that. So, is it worth it? I don't know. I mean, everything is new in the car. Everything. And everything is the best of the best. And they put a lot of work into the paint and the body and on and on and on. So, no, this isn't for everybody. It's not even for me. I don't have 350 grand to drop on any car, but you have to admit, for those that do have the coin to drop, this is a pretty awesome option. And the fact that a company that builds F-100s and Broncos, which have been popular for years, are already jumping into the Fox game tells you we're doing something right, because the cars are getting noticed, the interest, the enthusiasm behind the Fox community is huge, and these companies are taking note. And guess what? Here it is. Pretty freaking awesome. And I have to say, I like seeing the touches that they put into the car and some new ideas as well.